Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What's a good substitute for taco seasoning? Your best bet. Make your own. If your spice rack is well stocked, you likely have all of the ingredients you need to make your own taco seasoning. For a less stocked spice rack, chili powder and cumin. Just the basics. Chili powder. Skip the powders. Sriracha.
Make your mark, take our lead.
McCormick Original Taco Seasoning Mix now. The overall winner, McCormick. With flakes of garlic and a well-rounded flavor profile, tasters pleasantly chowed down on this taco meat. Not too spicy and not at all dull, this taco seasoning packet was just right.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Stir tomato sauce, water, vinegar, cumin, onion powder, garlic salt, chili powder, paprika, sugar, and cayenne pepper together in a saucepan over low heat. Cook at a simmer until slightly thickened, about 20 minutes. Cool sauce slightly before serving.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Create opportunities for people to buy your seasonings. Ask someone to host an in-home party where you cook a meal using the seasonings and then sell to the attendees. Hold an open house and invite everyone you know to come taste samples and order products. Set up a booth at a local flea market.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.